everyone, welcome back to Cherry Holy World. So today we are going to learn fossils. This fossils, it's a little bit deep chapter, but it's very easy chapter. Introduction we'll see. We know that many of living things that lived millions of years ago longer exist today. A very well-known example is that dinosaur. Yeah, we don't know, like, we born now. Okay, now suppose many millions of years ago dinosaurs are there. How do we know? Due to seeing their body, means their skeleton. Then onwards we get to know, oh, these dinosaurs are there. They are there from millions of years ago only. Oh, they died. That's all we get to know. A very well-known example. They do not exist now. Many such organisms which existed in past have left their remains in like rocks, sea beds, or layers of the earth. These fossils are remain dead plants, animals which exist of millions years ago and buried in earth. What is this? First you should get to know what is this. First you don't get to know what are this. Now suppose example, one fish died. First what will happen? Here something this thing is not good, don't feel something. It died. When it died, after some times, means it will die in aquatic, so it will be in what? Here's full water will be there, it will die here. Okay, when it die, after like a millions, means like after like 100 years, it will go like more like this. Sand will cover it, sand, rocks will cover it like this. After millions of years ago, we can see its skeleton, and we can see this skeleton also in sedimentary rock. It bone thing, it form a rock, sedimentary rock. So what happened? These are steps. Now what will happen? It will go inside, no? Inside this aquatic thing, how will get petrol, diesel, the soil? Here, from here. They will dig inside this water. They will remove full water, and from here they will dig it. So what all animals are remain down, aquatic animals are down from millions of years ago, they buried, which will become like bedrock or bedrock something. When they dig it out, petrol, diesel will come. So this is known as fossil fuels. Fossil means? Animals which buried. Fuels means diesel, petrol. That is full name is fossil fuels. If you see in this picture, you can see this is a sedimentary rock. The skeleton is here, and this what they can see, and they understood dinosaur will be like this. See the example. First the fish, after some time, after it will die. After that some sand will close it full, then little bit it will close, and it will go inside the soil, and inside the soil it will die. Means it will become like something, and all fishes will come and eat it. Means like some little bit it will come and eat. So the skeleton will be remain. After some time, some heat of that earth, this will come together and it will form a rock. It will form like sedimentary rock. This is known as sedimentary rock. So here we'll see what is fossil fuels. A substance which burning produces a lot of heat called fuel. Means now suppose a thing, petrol, if we burn petrol, how it will be? Lot of heat, that's called fuel. Wood, coal, kerosene, petroleum are some important fuels. However, the fuels which are formed from remains from plant animals which got buried millions years ago called fossil fuels. How this fossil fuels come? When plant also go inside, it will also become fossil. Like that animals, that was the use of coal. The period between 200 to 300 million years is known as Carboniferous age. During this period, large trees were present abundance on the earth. The trees on the earth got buried in earth. Very slowly, these trees got converted peat. Peat means no, vegetable peat. Now suppose for one plant is there. Think this is a plant. This is a pot, you think. This plant is not growing that much. What you'll do? Peat means what? Vegetable waste, vegetable peeling, roughage, like egg after using that its outer part, and vegetable peeling, roughage we will wear on this plant, so it will eat and it will healthy, it will grow. So that is known as peat. And the peat, like some cow dung, that is also known as peat. Petroleum. Petroleum, also called as crude oil, is formed from remains of living which got buried millions of years ago in water. We thought no, in water. It takes several millions years to form. Petroleum, I'll tell you after this. Petroleum complex mixture of solid, liquid and gaseous hydrocarbons, compounds, carbon, hydrogen mixed with salt, water and earthy particles. Earthy particles, what will be there? That earth layers. That thing mostly found in sedimentary rocks. We thought no, sediment rocks are obtained by drilling the rocks. When we drill the rocks, and now we'll get to know one thing. Now petrol is an very important. Most of us will waste petrol very lot, like going here and there, because if petrol is not there, we cannot go anywhere. Will be like we should walk or we should go and cycle. So we should save petrol and don't play with petrol. Even petrol, kerosene, we should not play with them. And tell to your parents, don't waste petrol. And petrol is very important for our future purposes. We should make fossils more and more. If you go some ground and anywhere, if you see some butterfly or something died, do this thing that is helps you in your future and another people. Dig it. Last time in our friends, we went like our ground, one ground, RRC ground, we went like for sports day. We saw one butterfly were died. Then we full dig it out and we kept inside that, and like it became like 10 days. We don't know what happened. So for our future purpose, it will become a fossil fuel. Like that, if you all do like that, for our future purpose, our future and another future purposes, it will be very easy and it is a very good manner. And it's very good manner if we make fossil fuels by keeping the salt down, so that it covers and it will become a fossil fuel. And we should not waste petrol, and children be aware of petrol and don't go near petrol. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.